XB Marketing here, and welcome back to the channel. So before we get into this video, I'd like you to know I am going to be walking you through an 8-part series of how to make money with Cpagrip, starting from how to create a Cpagrip account down to how to start earning $1,000 a day on Cpagrip. I'm going to show you everything in this series. So the first thing you want to do, if you don't have a Cpagrip account already, you want to come over to cpagrip.com and you want to click on the register now button. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and all you simply need to do is to enter your basic information. And once you do that, you want to check all these boxes and you want to click on register now. If you do that, your account will be created right away. So once you create a brand new Cpagrip account, it's going to look like this. And all you first need to do is to go over to your email address to verify your account. As you can see right here, it says your Cpagrip account has been approved. All you need to do is to click this link. Once you do that, you're going to see a message that looks like this. So you want to then come back to your account. All you simply need to do is to click on account settings. So once you do that, you want to scroll down to where it says tax document, depending on whatever country you're in. All right, so this one is for people who are in the United States. If you're not from United States, you want to click on this W8 International. So once you do that, all you just need to do from here is to type in your information as they appear on your document. You want to scroll to the very bottom of the page and you want to type in your name right here as your signature. So once you do that, then you want to click on save. So once you do that, you want to then go back to your dashboard. So the final thing you want to do now is to set up your payment method. So once you click on that, it's going to bring you to this page and you want to go over to payment method. And this is where you want to select the way you want to receive your payments from Cpagrip. So this is up to you. You can use Payoneer to receive your payments. You can use bank transfer, or you can get paid using PayPal. So whichever one you want to use is up to you. So if you take PayPal as an example, if you type in your PayPal address, as you can see, it's going to say your payment details have been updated successfully. All right, so that is all you need to do to set up your Cpagrip account and start making money.